Scene 1. Early morning. At sharp 4 o'clock in the morning, our little cat wakes up. It stretches its tiny body, gives a soft yawn, and starts doing its morning yogasanas. A little Surya Namaskar, gentle breathing exercises, and a small balancing pose. The fresh morning energy fills the cat with happiness. Scene 2. Going to school. After yoga, the cat gets ready quickly, carries its small school bag, and walks happily to school. Inside the classroom, the cat stands near the board and teaches maths to all the students. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, everything with full focus and discipline. Scene 3. Evening at home. After school, the tired but happy cat returns home. It goes to the kitchen, prepares simple food, and sits properly at the dining table to enjoy its dinner. Scene 4. Night routine. By 9 o'clock at night, the disciplined cat lies on its cozy bed and slowly drifts into a peaceful sleep. Final message. The cat maintains a strict and systematic lifestyle. Because of this, it stays healthy in both body and mind.